Ladies and gentlemen, we are ready to begin the January 2019 First Friday Coffee, as sponsored by our friends from Vensure. Father, what a blessing it is to be here in this place today. And Lord, thank you for the community in which we get to live.
Help me honor the greatest country God has ever allowed to exist, the United States of America. I pledge allegiance to the flag.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light?
Today is going to be a little different than that because it's what we call our annual installation breakfast, where we recap 2018 and we fast forward to 2019. Each and every month, we could not have this great event without a sponsor, and we've been honored now for the last 3 years to have the Vensure company and our friend Dan Robertson come up here and tell us about their organization.
With Vensure, happy to be here, of course. We were acquired a little over a year ago by Vensure. We were a top 10 provider nationwide for those services, over 4,000 clients. So very proud, very exciting time here at Vensure.
There's two things I want to do in life. It's to be great every day and to teach somebody something new and help somebody out in some way, shape, form, or fashion. The surveys show today that small businesses are only spending 25% of their time on strategy and 75% of their time on tactical. So I think we have an opportunity to reframe that. And our goal all the time is to get you to reverse that and focus 75% of your time, on why you sat on the couch to begin with, to grow your business and to become profitable, be an employer of choice, leave the legacy if you want, be part of your community, and get you focused on driving.
And we're honored now to have our 2018 chair, Nicholas Chubb.
Our executive committee, I think, has been the best executive committee we've put together. So give them a hand. The Hugh Kendall Community Impact Award recognizes and honors an individual for multiple forms of community engagement, including volunteer service, policy work, community organizing, advocacy, and/or leadership. Ms. Wanda Stapleton, Twin Cities Hospital.
I think a community thrives when commerce meets the passion of the people about where they live. And I think that's why we're all here today. Hugh loved living here, and he appreciated this community, and he had a real spirit of giving.
So you get the first Teddy Award. Hugh Kendall, for his birthday, gets a bobblehead of the Teddy Award.
For the second Teddy Award, that would be for First Baptist Church. And it looks like Greg Black will come up and accept it. The next Teddy, Best Business After Hours. RPM. David Presnell, come on down. My next Teddy Award goes for Community Commitment. Without a question, Mitch Mongell. Our next Teddy, Most Outstanding Committee Chair, Kim Denman, Nothing But Networking. Next award, Teddy Award, would be the Shining Star Supporter. And the Teddy goes to Wes Fell. Paradise Promotions of the Emerald Coast. Thank you, Wes. My next Teddy, Chamber Advocate, Supporter, and Facebook Photographers. Ryan Price, Air Force Enlisted Village. Community Impact Award, Impact 100. Ladies, thank you for making a difference in Okaloosa County. And Lisa Jo Spencer, if you would accept as president. Next Teddy is Tourism de Force. But a major reason for all the changes is our new TDD director, Jennifer Adams, director. The next Teddy is the Outstanding Staff Award. You make my job easy, you're gonna make Matt's job easy, and all the past chairs can attest to it. Chamber staff gets a Teddy. All right, my next Teddy, I'm calling the Chairman's Choice Award. Your 2020 chair, Vince Mayfield. The last Teddy, Best Supporting Spouse. All I can say, Janet, is thank you for everything you did to help get me through this year. Couldn't have gotten through it without you. Thank you. Every quarter, we recognize the ambassador of the quarter. This person has overall or had overall responsibility for the ambassadors in 2018. My thanks and recognition from all of you to Bernita Everett. The next award is the Mert Wagner Volunteer of the Year. I couldn't find any reason not to recognize the enormous contributions he made to our Just Makes Sense campaign. Stephen Smith. All right, this business has been in Fort Walton Beach for only 2.5 years, proving that the more you give and get involved in our chamber or your community, the better your chances of success. Painting with a Twist. David Presnell and Barbara Dean. The next award is Corporate Business of the Year. Emerald Coast, Harley Davidson. Gus, come on up. And I'll just say in closing, it's been a heck of a year, a heck of a ride. Janet and I have absolutely loved living here in the Emerald Coast. It's a bittersweet departure. We're going to miss a lot of you. We're certainly going to miss this chamber and all the friends we've made, the business relationships we've developed. My gratitude and thanks.
Nicholas Chubb, our 2018 chair, everyone!
We just want to honor you and thank you for the service. I know it goes well beyond just the prior year. You've been a great champion for our community and a great friend to the city and the area, and we've been blessed to have you in this leadership role. Now, therefore, be it respectively proclaimed that Nick Chubb is honored for all of his service to the public and the Greater Fort Walton Beach Chamber of Commerce through the years. Sincerely, Mel Ponder, Representative. Congratulations.
On behalf of Congressman Matt Gaetz, I have a certificate of special congressional recognition presented to Nick Chubb in recognition of outstanding and invaluable service to the community. Thank you, Nick, for everything you've done for our community.
This is a symbol of what we're getting you. We've given you a gift certificate from the chamber staff to plant a tree in your front yard in North Carolina. Thank you very much. Godspeed, yeah. We have to get this way. Thank you very much. I'll only take 45 minutes of your time, so we'll be out of here very soon. No, I am Matt Turpin. I'm excited to be the chair. I'm looking forward to this year. I'm looking forward to taking charge, which for my love for piracy and love of being in the crew. The theme is taking charge. We have so many successes from 2018, but those didn't start in 2018. The foundation for that was laid years before that. But somebody has to take charge. Some organization has to take charge to go forward. And that's what we're going to do. That's what we have done. That's what we're going to continue to do in 2019.
We loved having you all here, folks. Take your candy, take your paydays, take your treats. Let's have a good year in 2019, shall we? Thank you for your membership in the Greater Fort Walton Beach Chamber of Commerce.